all white people. So I've got a lot of stuff delivered, stuff that I need and stuff that I don't. A lot of it's gonna have to go back, but I got my JB WELD stick. So today is the big day. The operation seal the tank. Now I've already cleaned the tank inside. It kind of works, but it didn't. Well, it didn't work as well as I thought it would. But what I'm thinking of doing, I'm going to patch it up. It's better than it was before. There's no patches of rust, so to speak, inside, or not as much. Where have I put that bloody thing? So once this gear goes in, hopefully, it would. My idea of it is like press this putty thing in, and it goes behind the hose and all that. It's going to seal the whole area. So yeah, hopefully that's the plan. So meanwhile, there's a bit of a, God knows what, bit of a resin in there. Don't know what that is, or maybe just rust started to reappear. I'm not sure. I can't do it as it is. I'm gonna have to take it off and maybe put it on the other bike so I can show you. Maybe, I don't know. Stand by. I'll work out a method. Maybe I'll do it like this. Should do. It's just a bit of a brake cleaner. Not promoting that, get out of the way. Yeah, that's just a bit of brake cleaner, a bit of degreaser. For that JB WELD to hopefully hold better. Yeah, on his way out. I'll let that dry nicely. I had another one. I wonder what that one is. I'm losing my marbles right now. Maybe that is the only one I've got. Anyway, JB WELD, let's get into it. Fresh pair of gloves. So maybe I should have probably bought the paste where you mix up into the pot, and it's a bit more liquidy. That's the word. Maybe I should have got that, but I didn't. I got this because it says it's good for fuel tanks. You see there. However, the other one did not. Although I've seen people online using it. That's what it looks like, in case you haven't seen it. Apparently you got to peel this off. Ew. You mix in your hands until the desired product is mixed as you want it. I don't want to take that much. I don't know whether there's enough or not. I've never done this before. Mix it up and then patch up the tank. Oh god, that stinks. Yeah, maybe I should have got the other one. I don't know. See how soft this gets, because if it does get nice and soft, then I could push it through and then work it in. If not, I don't know. I'll have to get another one, I suppose. But I'm very confident in this. I'm looking forward to get it sorted and put the back bike in action. Put the bike back in. Did I say that right? Yeah, back in action. So this is what it looks like. God blimey. It's gone through the holes already. God blimey. Bit of an issue is that as I'm pressing, it's going through the hose. So it's a good job I got the thicker one, really, because if I would have got the thinner one, that would have just gone through, straight through. So I'm trying to get this groove a little bit lower, as best I can. This is where the fairing's going to go in, so I'm going to try not to cut too much out of the fairings, and so I'm trying to do it as best as I can. I can always do it again, I suppose, as in like put more of this gear on top. So I've spread it quite thinly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a bit more anyway. I need to mix it for the other side anyway. While I'm here, let me just clean it. Let's look at some of this gear. Oh, bloody hell. So yeah, I'll have to put way more on this side because it's literally sinking in. So I'm actually glad right now I haven't bought. Nothing coming out. Great. Hopefully that'll do. Right, yeah, glad I haven't bought that bloody liquid thing. That would have just gone through. So this is not very big. Got another repair to do. It's the rear fender. Turns out I might be able to use this JB WELD. All cracked and shit. Don't know who put on it, but it looks like bird shit. Awful stuff. So I'm gonna fix it. Hopefully, sand it down, paint it. It look like brand new. With a bit of luck. Right.